Welcome back to our DB Stockbroking channels. So as I said early, from the last week, right from today, Saturday, exactly at 5 p.m. every Saturday, we are going to be live on this Facebook page, Instagram page, along with our DB Stockbroking FB page. The main motive of creating this source just to give some educations, some advice to the students, teachers, Indians, and also to the employees of various public sectors as well as government sectors. We are coming every Saturday with different topics, with different guests for a particular topics. Right now, today, in front of me, Abhishek Sharma ji will be here with me for another 1 hour to express their real life experience, to share his education career and which career is important. आज 1 घंटा 5 से 6 बजे तक वो सारे बातें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. वो एक इम्पोर्टेंट बातें जो हर किसी स्टूडेंट्स हो या पेरेंट्स जानना चाहते हैं. আজি 5টা বজাৰ শনিবাৰে বিশেষ শ্ব' এটা লৈ মই আহিছো ডিবি ষ্টক ব্ৰকিং পেজৰ পৰা, চেনেলৰ পৰা, মোৰ ফাৰ্মৰ পৰা, যোনটো উলুবাৰী গুৱাহাটীত আছে. আজি মোৰ লগত আমাৰ স্পেচিয়েল গেষ্ট অভিষেক শৰ্মাজী আহিছে. তেওঁ 1 ঘণ্টা নিজৰ লাইফৰ এক্সপিৰিয়েন্সৰ কথা শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু লগতে আমি বহুত কথা জানিবও পাৰিম, শিকিবও পাৰিম. এই 1 ঘণ্টা মই মোৰ এমপ্লয় কনচাৰ্ণ যা তেওঁ সম্বোধন জনাবৰ কাৰণে এখন ফুলম গামোচা দি আদৰিব ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছো. Thank you, Kanchanza, for your honor to our chief guest, Abhishek Sharma. Sir, most welcome to our show, DB Stockbroking channels, as well as my firm.
First of all, thank you, Dipankar, for inviting me on your DB Ka Pathshala show, and I congratulate you for conducting such kind of shows, which will be an inspiration for every person. At the same point of time, I also like to say one more thing, that starting such kind of venture at this age is a very great thing. So I really like to congratulate you for this.
Thank you so much for giving me motivations. Hope I will be going some more good works for the nations, for the state, and for the people. So right now, I will be starting my live show session with a brief introduction from Abhishek Sharma ji. I want to add 2 or 3 lines about him, and after that he will say more about his careers, his educations, and his lifestyle. Now, Abhishek Sharma ji, जो गुवाहाटी के रहने वाले हैं, वो 2020 एल्यूमिनी है, MBA from Royal Global University गुवाहाटी. आज उनको यहाँ पे बुलाने के लिए the main reason है for me that the viewers, the लोग, student, सब लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं from the student कि कौन सा education कब लेना है, कौन सा career choose करना है, कौन सा higher education लेना है, किसको, किनको और कैसे सक्सेस आना है. It's a very tough situation, especially in this 21st century, to choose the right career and get a successful life with a beautiful jobs which can lead to their family as well as their future generations. So I would like to hear from Abhishek Sharma ji about some more introduction about you for 5 minutes so that our viewers know more about in spite of my introduction about you. Thank you. Please.
Okay, first of all, thank you so much. आपने इतना अच्छा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है और সকলো মানুহে শুনি পেলাই বহুত ভালো পাইছে সকে you have given my professional qualification introduction. I think apart from that I will say more about myself. I am an artist from my side.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, I mean that's sometimes like now you're very much aware about the COVID situation. So most people are like now involved in their house. They can't go out. So what I do, like most of the time, I would like to just free myself and do such kind of painting works that will keep me very much interest. মই যিকোনো টাইমৰ টাইপৰ পেইন্টিংস কৰো মানে if you can ask me মই পাৰিলে তোমাৰ এখন পেইন্টিং বনাই দিব পাৰা I can just make a painting of your.
So you are saying that you can make my live portrait pictures.
It will take time actually.
Okay.
Obviously, it will definitely take time. I will not give guarantee that it will be exact replica, but yeah, if I just put on my hard work, it will definitely come to a good outcome.
That's a beautiful day. মই বহুত ভাল লাগিছে যেন এখন এজন অসমীয়া at the age of around 29-30 years old আপুনি এটো এটা সাইড আপোনাৰ talent বুলি ক'ব পাৰো skill বুলি ক'ব পাৰো as a hobby. I can take as a hobby.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
So মই আপোনাৰ কেইটামান কোৱেশ্চনছ কৰিব বিচাৰো related to education sector so that more viewers যোনে জানিব বিচাৰে who are watching right now all over India जो हर स्टेट से देख रहे हैं लाइव वो जानना चाहते हैं आपसे रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस আপোনাৰ নিজৰ অভিজ্ঞতা আপোনাৰ নিজৰ টাফ সিচুৱেচন আপুনি কেনেকৈ চুজ কৰিলে আৰু সবে কেনেকৈ চুজ কৰিলে so my first question to you Mr. Abhishek ji for a student which stream is necessary and how they select because एक जो 18 years का स्टूडेंट है और 17 years का एक पर्सन से वो उस टाइम पे डिसाइड नहीं कर पाते हैं कि वो आर्ट्स लेंगे कॉमर्स लेंगे या साइंस लेंगे उनके लिए कौन सा फिट होगा the most difficult time is that time when they won't able to decide they will going to take the art stream science stream commerce stream so I want to hear something from you that how the students can decide which stream is best for them please say something
Yes, this is I think not only I think every student have gone through this phase even I have also gone through this phase in my life because I still remember in 2005 when I completed my class 10 board examination.
Sorry for disruption. Can you speak something loudly?
Okay.
Okay.
In 2005, I completed my class 10 board examination.
Okay.
So there was a dilemma in front of, including in myself, that what should I take? Whether I should go for science, whether I should go for commerce, or whether I should go for arts. So this is actually I have seen in my family. So I will definitely share my experiences. মই প্ৰথমতে প্ল্যান কৰিছিলো সায়েন্স পঢ়িম বুলি বিকজ মোৰ সৰুৰ পৰাই ডক্টৰ হোৱা এটা মন আছিল মোৰ এইটো এটা প্ল্যান আছিল যে মই ডক্টৰ হ'ম আৰু মোৰ ফেমিলিটো ডক্টৰ আছে মোৰ জেঠাই এজন ডক্টৰ হয় so মই তেওঁক মানে grow কৰা দেখিছো I have seen her growing up as a doctor as a person and I would say as a role model for me too আৰু মই এই বস্তুটো নিজকে এটা পিকচাৰাইজ কৰিছো যে এদিন from my family I will become a doctor so I thought that science পঢ়িব লাগিব here পঢ়িব লাগিব but sometimes life has something else for you okay so things didn't work out according to me মই honestly ক'ব যদি বিচাৰো I went for tuitions also in science to an extent but মই নোৱাৰিলো কৰিব I didn't I think it was I would say I was not able to accept that factor that it was to move so I had a difficult time in explaining my parents नॉर्मली व्हाट हैपन नो पेरेंट्स से कोई कि या पेरेंट्स कहते हैं कि बेटा आप ये पढ़िए या बेटी ये पढ़िए, आपके लिए ये सही है, आपके लिए वो गलत है, आपके लिए ये सही है, आप ये करें। ऑब्वियसली पेरेंट्स आर द गार्जियंस ऑफ आर एंड दे विल प्रोवाइड अ गुड एडवाइस टू ऑल, ओके, बट इट डिडंट वर्क आउट। आई एक्सप्रेस माय इशू टू माय फैमिली कि मैंने अपने मम्मी से मैंने इसके बारे में बात की थी एंड आई हैव शेयर्ड दिस पॉइंट कि मॉम, I won't be able to study science now because I love theory subjects. I love theory subjects. I mean, if you ask me to solve a question, any kind of question related to theory subject, I will be able to do it. But science is something which is related to numericals, which is related to practicals, etc., etc. I didn't say I didn't try. मैंने try भी किया था, लेकिन मुझसे नहीं हो पाया था. Because, and I accept that factor. So I did have a difficult time, and I shifted to commerce. Now that was a time when I felt that it was a new journey for me because I was the first from my paternal family to join commerce, and there was no support in the sense like I didn't have proper guidance except for my parents. I had to take advice from my father, I had to take advice from my mother, sometimes I had to take advice from my friends also. I was not sure that the decision that I took at that point of time was right or not. But today I feel so proud that the decision that I took back 10 years ago is really proved to be fruitful for me.
That's so wonderful.
So I would definitely like to say the persons who want to pursue a career, anything, whether it is science, whether it is commerce, or whether it is arts, even if he wants to become a musician, nowadays lot of fields are there. In our time, I mean, अगर मेरे टाइम में देखा जाए या मूर टाइम में देखा जाए, हमारा स्कोप तो बहुत कॉमर्शियल है. We had a very limited scope because we were born and brought up and raised to the thing. If you study science, you will have a scope. If you study arts, you will have that scope. And if you have a commerce, you will have that scope. But now, lot of options are there. So I would just like to say, listen and try to identify yourself where you actually belong. That's the thing I would like to say.
Thank you for a wonderful message to my viewers.
Thank you so much.
So, তেখেতে বুধুনিয়া কলে, তেওঁ কলে যে আর্টস হক, কমার্স হক, সায়েন্স হক ইম্পর্টেন্ট নহয়. ইম্পর্টেন্ট এটু হয় যে আপুনি কি বিচাৰিছে, আপোনাৰ এইমটো কি হয়. যদি আপুনি এটা লাইফত গোল লৈ যায়, আর্টস হক, আপুনি আর্টসত বহুত তারপর স্কোপ আছে, সায়েন্সতো স্কোপ আছে, কমার্সতো স্কোপ আছে. Just your goal should be very clear. It should not be that something unclear or blurred in your aim and goal. So according to him, वो बोलना चाहते हैं कि आपका करियर क्लियर एंड ब्राइट होना चाहिए, चाहे वो आर्ट स्ट्रीम हो या साइंस स्ट्रीम हो. Thank you for a beautiful message.
Thank you.
So now I want to go to the second questions from here. From this question, earlier question, it is clear that which stream has important to take after their 10 plus 12 or after 10. Now, after graduations, as is the 21st century, nowadays, every students want to do further educations. They don't want to stop their career after graduations. They want to do further educations. So I want to hear from you, as you are also an MBA in finance and HR specialty. So why you choose MBA after your graduation instead of doing jobs? Please.
Well, Osaka to the core, and if I have to be precise and very honest about my goal, I was actually not ready to do MBA.
Oh.
It was like a very 11th hour decision for me. I mean, I did had a plan to do MBA previously, but after completing my graduation, I opted to do a course called Company Secretary.
Oh, CS.
Yes. I was like guided by my teacher when I was doing my graduation in Bangalore that do something different that will make you independent identity.
Okay.
So that actually motivated me to go for CS. But here also I will not say that I have quit CS, I'm still pursuing it, but yeah, I was not able to give time also because for profession course, ऐसे profession course के लिए आपको time देना पड़ता है और अपनी जो भी time दिए ठीक है अपनी successful होगा. I will not say that I have quit CS, but still I am on to it. Yeah, doing MBA was like that. It is actually I feel at one point of time in my life that it's actually a requirement for me because it will give me an opportunity to grow. I will not say that CS will not give you any growth or development. You will definitely get growth. Obviously, most of the students who are pursuing CA or who are pursuing CMA or pursuing company secretary also, they are actually successful in their respective line, including my friends also who are now successful company secretary. And one of my best friends is Sharik Khan, who is right now working in Delhi in one of the most leading firm. And also Shubham Katyal also, he is also one of my good friends. He is also one of, he is working in Caprio Maruti Limited.
They are from Guwahati?
No, they are from Delhi.
They are from Delhi.
Yeah, they are my best friends and they are very successful in their life. But I felt that this course will give me a step ahead to grow in my life. Now, for example, if you want to pursue a career in India, it is a universal tool. I think nobody can deny that. We have to achieve our masters. We have to do our masters in order to go ahead. I will not say that bachelors are not provided scope. They are scope. They are scope. If you are I think many people who have pursued bachelor course are very successful in their life. Even they don't have pursued masters also. I will say, but for me it was a requirement for me because I feel I can go through to that particular goal, and my goal is actually human resource management. Because after doing a kind of research with lot of professors and lot of friends, I think this was the way to achieve the goal towards my human resource management. Although I have not achieved it so far till now, but yeah, I'm still ongoing on to it because you say that dreams must not go exist.
Yeah.
Always you must have a passion, you must have a dream to achieve your goal. So I think आप अपने सपनों के लिए जियो. और ये कहावत है कि कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. तो कोशिश करते रहना चाहिए तब तक जब तक आपका अपना गोल अचीव नहीं होता. Keep on trying until and unless you achieve your goal. So I'm still ongoing to it, and my only motive is like I'm very passionate about human resource management.
It's like your hobby. It's like your aim, not hobby. It's
No,
like
I
your
wouldn't
aim.
say hobby would be different. I'd say it's an aim.
Okay, it's your aim
It's
that
like an aim
you
that
want to
I-
go for human resource management.
Yeah, it's an aim that I want to connect people.
Okay.
I like connecting people.
Okay.
Human resource management is not about like performing a recruitment, performing performance management, or performing compensation, or preparing a salary-based structure. It's about connecting people. हम लोगों से जोड़ते हैं. आप लोगों से जोड़ोगे तो आपको पता लगेगा कि आप किससे बात करते हैं, वो लोग कैसे हैं, और इससे आपको ये पता लगेगा कि आप रिलेशनशिप बनाने जा रहे हैं.
Right.
I think relationship building is very important in today's generation because it will help you to grow ahead in your life.
So बहुत सुंदर मैसेज दिए हैं अभिषेक जी ने कि ड्रीम कभी टूटना नहीं चाहिए. चाहे वो ग्रेजुएशन हो, चाहे वो एसएस पास हो, चाहे वो मैट्रिक पास हो. Education is important, I believe, but with education, according to him, that dreams should be come together. If you don't have dream, then you cannot succeed in your life. Education आएंगे, आपको डिग्री मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन आपका ड्रीम हमेशा क्लियर होना चाहिए.
I would like to add one more point over here.
Sure.
I would like to say like to my viewers that, and I think I should thank my friend who have actually taught me this thing 10 years back.
Okay.
Don't study for marks.
Yeah.
Don't
I agree with you.
Don't study for marks. You know, I was doing my graduation BCom in Garden City College, Bangalore, and I had a friend. So he actually told me that, why are you going after marks? तो marks के पीछे क्यों जाते हो? Marks is not going to help you. Marks will just help you to go a step ahead in your life. Marks important है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि marks important है. a person who scores 90, a well-deserved person, a person who scores 80, 60, 70 is also a well-deserved person because that particular student have emphasized and have given their hard work. I really appreciate that and I congratulate them also. Lekin, you have to become a person. I mean to say you have to develop your personality. Sometimes what happens, it is your personality that will attract you and it will help you determine that better. Now for example, आप जब किसी इंटरव्यू में जाते हैं, अपन जितने की बार इंटरव्यू जाए, what happens? Competition बहुत है. अपनी बहुत टाइप और मानो देखो. You will find varieties of people. Person having first class, person having second class. Now what happens? It's actually from my experience I'm saying. I went for an interview, I still remember, and what happened? A person got 90%, okay, and my friend got around 60%. Now that 60% got selected for the job, and the 90% didn't got selected for the job.
In your MBA?
No, it was a part of my life experience.
Okay, in your life
Yeah,
experience.
it's a part of my life experience. Now, I'm not trying to criticize this. This is the fact that I have seen. Why? Because that person was able to speak English, he was able to prove his personality, and of course he was able to give the outcome that the interviewer was expecting from him. I don't say that 90% is a bad person.
Okay.
He has worked hard, he is good in academics, but in keeping in mind the rising situation, every person must update himself. I think it is necessary. मैं ये message देना चाहता हूँ कि सबको अब time के साथ साथ update करना चाहिए. Nowadays it's a technology, it's a super fast technology era. We are using smartphones. अगर हम smartphone use नहीं करेंगे तो हम पीछे रह जाएंगे. So time के साथ हमें अपने आप को update करते रहना चाहिए. Even if it is a new computer software has come up, which is related to our work, I think it's very much necessary to update ourselves so that we can go ahead with the time. So that is one message that I would like to give, that do study well. Study karna chahiye. Even I have also studied, and of course grades are also important. It is actually a step ahead that will make you go ahead to your next stage. But overall, you have to develop your personality. Personality, positive attitude and passion. These three elements are very important for your growth enhancement.
So, बहुत धुनिया कथा कले आमार गेस्टे. Hope তেওঁ ভালকে বুজাব পাৰিলে যে গ্ৰেজুৱেচনৰ পিছতো কেৰিয়াৰ আছে, ফাৰ্দাৰ ষ্টাডি আছে, এডুকেশ্যনছ আছে. মই সেইখিনি মাজতে এটা কোৱেশ্চন সুধিব পাৰো ফ্ৰম মাই ভিউৱাৰ্ছ. সুধিব বিচাৰে, মোক আৰডি কোৱেশ্চনছ আহিছিলে, ইমেইলছ আহিছিলে. তো তেওঁলোকে সুধিব বিচাৰিছে আপোনাক যে কিছুমান জব, ঠিক আছে, কিছুমান জব লাইক ডিগ্ৰী বা গ্ৰেজুৱেচন কৰাৰ পিছতো পায়, সেম জব MBA কৰাৰ পিছতো সেম পজিশনতে পায়. ৰিয়েল লাইফত তেওঁ সুধিব বিচাৰিছে যে MBA হওক, MCom হওক, MA হওক, মাছ কমিউনিকেশ্যন হওক, পোষ্ট গ্ৰেজুৱেচনটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়নে যদি তেওঁ জব কৰিব বিচাৰিছে কোম্পানী সেক্টৰ, নট ইন এডুকেশ্যন সেক্টৰ. তেওঁ টিচাৰ হ'ব বিচৰা নাই. টিচাৰ্ছ হ'বৰ কাৰণে মাষ্টাৰ ডিগ্ৰী ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়, PhD লাগে, নেট লাগে, স্লেট লাগে, বহুত ধৰণৰ লাগে. বিকজ তেওঁ কুৱেশ্যনটো সুধিছিলে মোক মেইলত যে তেওঁ কোম্পানী লাইফত যাব বিচাৰিছে, ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি সেক্টৰত যাব বিচাৰিছে, যোনটো জব গ্ৰেজুৱেচনৰ পিছতো পায়. এতিয়া তেওঁ সুধি পাইছে যে এতিয়া তেওঁ গ্ৰেজুৱেচন পিছতে জব সোমাব সেম পজিশনে, MBA কৰাৰ পিছতো সেম পজিশনে পায়. কিয় দৰকাৰ ফাৰ্দাৰ ষ্টাডি কৰিব?
First of all, you tell me, আপুনি মোক এইটো কথা কওক, যিজনে আপোনাৰ কোৱেশ্চন সুধিছে সেইজন কি আন্ডাৰগ্ৰেজুৱেট নে?
তেওঁ গ্ৰেজুৱেচন পাস কৰিছে, UG পাস কৰিছে. তেওঁ এতিয়া কনফিউজ আছে যে তেওঁ পোষ্ট গ্ৰেজুৱেচন কৰি ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি সেক্টৰত যাব বিচাৰে নে এতিয়া গ্ৰেজুৱেট কৰি ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি সেক্টৰত যাব?
I think অলপমান হোমৱৰ্ক কৰিব লাগিব তেওঁ.
হোমৱৰ্ক আপুনি হোমৱৰ্ক প্লিজ কৰিব. মই নামটো মেনশ্যন নকৰে, আপুনি নিশ্চয় চাই আছে লাগিব হোমৱৰ্ক কৰিব. তেওঁ আপোনাৰ আমাৰ গেষ্টে ক'ব.
So I'd like to give you this message that you have to do a bit of research. You may be in a confusing state, because even I was also in a confusing state. Yes, after completing your UG, you may find that many people are doing jobs for varieties of regions, and of course after post-graduation also many people are doing jobs. Yeah, there is a difference. Like there can be difference in the remuneration period. Like if you do an UG, you will definitely have a kind of remuneration, and after you do PG, you will get a remuneration more than that. That is a universal truth. Now, आपको ये डिसाइड करना है कि आपको क्या करना चाहते हैं. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप जॉब कर सकते हो and you have the potentiality to do, अगर आपके पास वो कैपेसिटी है, क्योंकि वो रीजन आपका कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can be any region, and I will not go too personal for that. Everybody has their region. So if you are willing to do, you can take an experience for around 1 to 2 years. And if you are finding a growth after 1 to 2 years, आपको लगा कि ये growth हो रहा है, then you can definitely go ahead. But I would sincerely advise you that do your masters also. आजकल distance education बहुत निकले हैं. You can go for distance education provided your time gives you. Time factor is also important, because what happens once you grow in the company, you will not be able to give time to your studies. And I from my friend's experience, I'm sharing this with you. क्योंकि studies और job simultaneously दोनों एक साथ नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, कुछ कर सकते हैं, जैसे जो CA कर रहे हैं, CMA कर रहे हैं, CS कर रहे हैं, or I would say any other course. I take MCOM, MBA, PhD also. I mean, they can do simultaneously. आप job भी कर सकते हैं, studies भी, but उसके लिए आपको time देना पड़ेगा. So my advice to you is that you go ahead with your decision that if you want to do a job, you can go ahead. आप job भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन आप masters भी कीजिए कुछ समय के बाद, क्योंकि ये requirement as per, अगर आपको इंडिया में रहने का plan है, then it is a requirement just for your growth. It will help you in your future growth in your life. आपके growth के लिए अच्छा. और अपनी যদি সেই বস্তুটো মানে এয়া কৰি থৈ দিয়ে, তেতিয়ালে আপুনি নিজে বহুত opportunities হ'ব. And yes, ऐसा नहीं है, like the opportunities of bachelors are there, but are more, or I would say opportunities of job for bachelors are more, but the opportunities for masters are even more enjoyable. So if you really want to enjoy a great life, you must go ahead with this decision.
Thank you for a beautiful message.
Thank you.
So I will forward to my 5th questions.
Okay.
Right now, everyone is going with the very bad situations, COVID-19 pandemic situations.
Obviously, yes.
Especially, it is affected more to the education sector, I believe. I don't know what others think, but for me, I believe that business sector, industry sector is also affected, but with them, education sector is also badly affected, as from 6 months, the college, schools, universities has been locked down.
Yes.
And there are some school, college which are situated in the remote places, and the network connectivity, internet connectivity is very poor, which face the teachers to take the online classes too. I won't go for any debate to any form of government, any form of industry, any form of NGOs, any form of associations. I just want to know a small questions from my guest, that with his real experience, how he faced to get his most honorable degree, that is post-graduation MBA degree, in this COVID-19 situation. Please say something, how you tackle COVID-19 and how you succeed to fight and get your degree and your questions, doubts clear from your teachers. Please say something to my viewers.
Well, Dipankar, I think it's a very bad situation right now. Not only for, I think overall in the world, the entire sectors are badly affected. Many are losing jobs, and like you have specifically mentioned about the education sector, yes, I think 4 months back I was a student.
Okay.
Sorry, not 4 months back.
I thought it 4 months back.
Not
It's
4 months. I think last month only.
1 month.
Yeah. Sorry, it's a slip of tongue. 1 month back I was a student, and in the month of March, I think in Guwahati lockdown started, and even in countrywide also.
Yeah.
So that situation was a turning point of our life. I think as a student, I felt that maybe the school college will reopen with a positive mind and positive attitude. And it was a very difficult situation for me because I had no idea. मुझे नहीं पता था कि उस समय क्या हो रहा था, क्योंकि सिचुएशन ही ऐसे हो गई थी कि आप कुछ सोच नहीं सकते हो. आप परिवार के बारे में सोचोगे या जॉब के बारे में सोचोगे, एनीथिंग, इवन एवरीथिंग वाज entirely affected. But at that point of time, I think it was recommended by UGC with the help of the central government of India that they have recommended for online classes. So our university have started with online classes. I didn't say that I didn't face problem. I did face problem. But gradually आप किसी नई चीज को स्टार्ट करते हो तो ऑब्वियसली आपको भी पता है कि आप किसी भी चीज को शुरुआत करते हो तो उसमें चैलेंजेस होंगे. And if you don't face the challenges, you will never know that where you actually stand. Now, for example, like you have stated about the internet issue.
Yeah,
Internet issue was a very big problem. Like many of my friends were from illiterate states, like for example Meghalaya, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and all. They are from tribal people.
Even Assam also has some remote cases.
Yeah, exactly.
Majuli,
You can-
Dhubri.
Yes, you can talk about the South Assam where many people are from there. They did face the internet issue. ऐसा नहीं कि they face नहीं किया था. They did face the internet issue. But gradually अगर आप उस चीज को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करोगे तो आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे. I also did face the problem, but I was patiently doing my classes. Sometimes what happened whenever teacher take classes, we do have to communicate.
Research take class means online classes. You are saying.
Yeah, online classes जब करते हैं, we have to call the teacher and find out that whether are you audible or not, you know.
Yes.
तो ये I think ये होगा है.
It's very frustrating, right? Am I audible? Am I audible?
No, I don't think it would be right to say frustration, क्योंकि क्या है कि we all are trying. It's a new thing for every one of us, not only for me. It was new for even for the teachers also, because we are habituated to physical classes. I think 90% of the Indian universities are habituated to physical classes.
Even I remember that some people don't get here from the options are there. Call via internet. The Zoom one option is there. Call via internet. If you don't press that option, you won't able to hear anything.
No, I think because we were not accustomed with the software.
Right, because we were
not accustomed with the software. I think we didn't know anything about that. हमें वो चीज पता ही नहीं था पहले कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. तो हमें अगर आप उस चीज को ट्राई नहीं करोगे तो आपको पता कैसे लगेगा. Now people are saying कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस बोगस है. अभी मैं इसको एक डिबेटेबल टॉपिक में नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि फिर मुझे लोग ही कहेंगे. मैं इतना ही बोलूँगा कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस है, आपको किसी चीज़ के लिए टाइम देना चाहिए. अगर आप टाइम दोगे तो तभी आपको पता लगेगा. I agree with you that it is not possible for any student to sit on in your study room and focus on your classroom classes. I agree, but I think we have to go with the challenges. अगर आप इस चैलेंज को ओवरकम करोगे तो डेफिनेटली वी विल बी लाइक गोइंग फॉर अ वेरी गुड आउटकम. इसलिए हर चीज को एक फेस करना चाहिए. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल राइट नाउ आल्सो एक चैलेंज है. इट इज आल्सो अ चैलेंज हमारी तरफ है. कोविड के कारण बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं कि हम जॉब में जा पाएंगे कि नहीं पाएंगे. इफ आई एम विजिटिंग सम प्लेस, हमें कोविड होगा कि नहीं होगा. So yeah, I did face that problem, but I never allowed that thing to affect me. I took it as a positive outcome, and I think I like literally attended the classes. I did face problem. ऐसा नहीं है कि I didn't face problem. Even you also asked this question about the doubt session also.
Doubt session.
Yeah. Like how people were facing, how students were overcoming the problem. I don't know about others because others का शायद दूसरा view भी हो सकता है या बेलेग মানুহৰ बेलेग view থাকিব পাৰে. But মই নিজৰ ফালৰ পৰা এইটো ক'ব বিচাৰো. Whenever a topic was discussed, I would personally talk with the teacher and I would try to overcome the issue.
By phone.
Yeah, by phone you can say, or sometimes like if the teachers are not available, I just try to drop a message. And at that point of time, I get it. But even at that point of time, I think if my solution was not provided, then there are other means which I have tried to sort out my problem. But yes, it was a challenge for me. But I overcome that thing because I never allowed those challenges to affect me. আৰু মই সেই বস্তুটো লাগি থাকিলোঁ মানে মই passionately লাগিলোঁ, মই passionately কাম কৰিছোঁ, and I think the
Teachers
results
also cooperating, I think.
yeah, teachers very cooperative because I think not only like a particular university I would say, but I think every Indian teachers, I think my mother is also a teacher.
Yeah.
My mother is also a school teacher. She also
Government sector?
no, she is working in private school
Private
as a maths
school.
teacher.
So she also facing that same
Yeah,
situation.
she does also face the very problem. So now what happens? Now to take classes for class 1 and class 2, it's a very difficult situation
Very difficult.
because they don't know. I mean, they know smartphones only to play games. That is the
The beautiful part, I forget to mention that some live online classes are going on, class 1, class 2. Am I right?
Yes.
So this is the beautiful time you want to express as his mother's teaching to class 1, class 2. Please say something about it.
So like I said that it was, I mean, for her also it was difficult. So what she will do, she will prepare her notes on before day and she will do a WhatsApp video because it is not possible. आप juniors के लिए, I mean juniors नहीं, class 1, class 2 छोटे बच्चों के लिए आप Zoom कॉल नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो लोग समझ नहीं पाएंगे उस चीज़ को, क्योंकि उनके लिए शायद उस टेक्नोलॉजी को समझना थोड़ा दिक्कत हो सकता है. अभी अगर हाँ, if they are well aware about the technology then it's okay, लेकिन थोड़ा दिक्कत हो सकता है. So what she will do a WhatsApp video. मेरी मम्मी एक WhatsApp video करेगी, और WhatsApp video करेगी जो एक ग्रुप है जिसमें पेरेंट्स भी हैं, वहाँ जाके वो सारे नोट्स दे देते हैं, and this is how the students are conceptualizing their knowledge. So I think it is a challenge, लेकिन I think कोई भी अपने रोल से भाग नहीं रहे, या nobody is trying to say that oh this is a very difficult job, I am not able to do it. Everybody is performing their role. The only thing is that we have to give time. हमें time देना पड़ेगा. ये एक बहुत नया चीज है, और हम इस चीज को अगर पॉजिटिव माइंड के साथ लेंगे, तो I think there will be definitely good results, and you will definitely achieve your goal.
Thank you, Abhishek ji. It's a very beautiful experience, real life experience he has shared to our viewers. So, the last questions and is very important, and the question has never heard by anyone. Even the question has been never taught by any students in his life or her life. But in 21st century, especially in COVID-19 pandemic situation, and for further life, for the further livings, the question is very tactical and very important. I want to ask this most important questions. The question is, investment करना एक स्टूडेंट जो पीजी डिग्री परस्यू कर रहे हैं, जो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट क्लास 11, क्लास 12 और degree first year, because they are not well matured. They might be matured, but they were not well matured to that level that they can own decide to invest their money or they invest their earning to some source. I am talking to the PG level students, post graduation students who are well matured, and is it necessary for the postgraduate student to start invest in his or her career at the starting level of first semesters or during his PG levels? Investment has various types, but there are some investment which can start from 100 rupees, right? Even the investment money is less than the Uber, Ola or auto prices fare. The 100 rupees can be invested by anyone. So I want to hear, also my viewers want to hear, that is investment is necessary for a student who are pursuing PG degree. Please say something about it.
I think I was discussing this question yesterday with one of my friends who is right now pursuing his PhD from IIT Guwahati.
IIT Guwahati. Okay.
Yeah. He is
Which
pursuing.
stream?
He's actually in biotechnology.
Biotechnology.
And he's doing his research in cancer biology.
Okay.
Okay. So like what happened? He actually called me yesterday. And he said that this is a COVID situation. What shall we do? Let us try doing something investment on this thing. So I think the question that you asked, I think it is an independent option for every human being. अगर आप चाहें तो collectively भी invest कर सकते हैं. Like for example partnership wise, अगर कोई दो गहरे दोस्त है वो भी invest कर सकता है. I would say it's an independent option. लेकिन हाँ जो आपने कहा है कि स्टूडेंट को इन्वेस्ट करना ही नहीं चाहिए, आई थिंक स्टूडेंट तो लाइक बचपन से इन्वेस्ट करते ही हैं. जैसे आप देख लीजिए, पेरेंट्स ऑलवेज एनकरेज द स्टूडेंट्स टू हैव सेविंग्स इन द फॉर्म लाइक उनको बचपन में एक पिगी बैंक दिया जाता है.
Correct. I just remember वो मिट्टी का एक कलम होता है पिगी बैंक. अभी भी 1 रुपए 2 रुपए से तक.
Yes. So I think even in my time also, like my father used to bring piggy banks, and even my sister also in her birthdays used to get piggy banks also. So I think बचपन से ही like बच्चे invest करना जानते हैं. It's a form of savings only, but they have actually learned. लेकिन they don't know that is actually saving. Okay. और जब वहाँ I mean उस मटके में आपका पैसा भर्ती हो जाता है, उसको तोड़ते हैं. And you get around like 500, 1000 और उस चीज से आप कुछ खरीदते तो खुशी मिलती है. वो बहुत खुशी मिलती है.
मैंने भी किया था. मैंने दुर्गा पूजा में वो गन होता है ना, वो खरीदा था. बहुत खुशी मिला था.
क्या गन?
वो ईयर गन होते हैं ना.
Oh yes.
That's small.
Exactly.
Famous Durga Puja.
Yes.
Especially for boys, okay?
Yeah.
I don't know girls also.
I think it's not available right now because I used to buy that gun every Durga Puja. What I will do, it used to cost around 20-30 rupees.
20-30 rupees.
20-30 rupees at that point of time, and it's available only during Durga Puja.
Even I remember in my childhood days, I invest this amount by selling like লুহা ভাঙাই ন অসমীয়াত কৈ লুহা ভাঙা বিক্ৰী কৰি পইচা পায় নহয়. 1 টকা 2 টকা ওজনত দিয়ে. নিউজ পেপাৰ বিক্ৰী কৰি পইচা পায়. এতিয়াও পায় নে নাই মই নাজানো. টেম্পত আহে আমাৰ পুৰণা প্লাষ্টিক বটল, লুহা ভাঙা চিঞৰি আহে নহয়. লুহা ভাঙা প্লাষ্টিক আছে নে নাই? সেম বস্তু. মই তাতে 1-2 টকা পাওঁ, বেছি নাপাওঁ. কৰি পেলাই দুৰ্গা পূজাত বন্দুক এটা কিনো আৰু তাতৰ পৰা ভাল লাগে. নিজৰ পইচা দি বন্দুক এটা কিনিছো. বন্দুক মান ডাঙৰ বন্দুক নহয়.
No, এই বস্তুটো কৈ দিয়া ভাল কাৰণ এইটো এটা বেলেগ
মিনিংত আছে.
আজিকালি দুৰ্গা পূজা সময়ত কি সেইটো এতিয়া নাই. এতিয়া দুৰ্গা পূজা টাইম চেঞ্জ হৈ গৈছে. 10 বছৰ আগত যেটো দুৰ্গা পূজা আছিলে আমি সেই বন্ধুটো কিনিছিলো. হয়, কিন্তু এতিয়া নাই. So coming to your question, like investment কথা, it's an independent decision, I think, and I would encourage that you should start investing. Not a very huge amount. You can say 500 also. If I'm knowledgeable, I think Dipankar would be the perfect person because he's I would say he's the CEO of Dibika Patshala. So I think stockbroking. So I think he would be able to give you proper advice regarding and what kind of amount should be specifically invested, whether in stock market or insurance or mutual fund. It's up to him. Yeah, but I would definitely say it like you can start practicing. I believe they are called dummy apps nowadays, Dipankar.
Correct.
So like you can try investing in dummy apps also, जिससे आपको पता लग सकता है कि पैसे कैसे इन्वेस्ट किया जाता है और किस फॉर्म में किया जाता है, किस हद तक किया जा सकता है. You will able to differentiate your difference, that this is the amount that I will be able to invest, or this is the amount I will not be able to invest. Am I right, Dipankar? I know a little bit of knowledge of stock market, but I think I am right about it. So I think it's not a matter of post-graduation. Even a 50-year-old man can also invest. The only thing is that if he is bound to take the risks, risk factor बहुत है ना, बहुत सारे risks है. I will not go into finance step now. If you are willing to take risks and if you know that you are being guided by a proper broker, stock broker, then definitely you will be able to invest a good certain amount of money. And I would definitely say you should try, because even I would be also, I think I have also tried also in my life. And you will definitely generate a good amount of income. And the same point of time, do take proper decisions through a proper consultation from your broker. That will help you to take proper decisions, because decision making power is very important in your life. So I would definitely say do invest in your life.
Thank you for beautiful messages.
Thank you, Dipankar.
So আপোনালোকে কোনোবাই যদি ইনভেস্ট কৰিব বিচাৰিছে, ষ্টুডেন্ট হওক, পেৰেন্টছ হওক, জব হওক, এমপ্লয় হওক, ৰিটায়াৰ্ড পাৰ্সন হওক, আপুনি ইনভেস্ট ব্লাইণ্ডলি নকৰিব. আপুনি আমাৰ অফিস উলুবাৰী, গুৱাহাটী নিয়াৰ ডিজিপি অফিসৰ কাষত আছে. আপুনি আহক আমাৰ অফিসলৈ, আপুনি চাওক কেনেকে চলে, কেনেকে বস্তুবোৰ ৰানিং হয়. আপুনি টাইম লওক, আপুনি সৰু এমাউন্ট এটা কন্ট্ৰিবিউট কৰিব পাৰে. মোক নহয়, আপোনাৰ ফাণ্ডত, ডিমেট একাউণ্টত মোৰ ভিডিঅ' আহে. মোৰ ইউটিউব চেনেল আছে ডিবি ষ্টক ব্ৰকিং বুলি, মোৰ ফেচবুক পেজ ডিবু ষ্টক ব্ৰকিং. তাত মই সদায় 15 মিনিটৰ এটা নলেজেবল ভিডিঅ' আপলোড কৰোঁ এভৰি ডে. যোৱাকালিও কৰিছো, তাৰ আগতো কৰিছো. মই আপোনালোকক এটা শিকাব বিচাৰিছো. আপুনি ইনভেস্ট এতিয়া নালাগে, আপুনি ইউটিউব চেনেলটোক যাওক, সদায় শিকক, শিকি থাকক আৰু শিকি থাকক. যেতিয়া আপোনাৰ মনৰ পৰা আহিব মই 100 টকা এটা দি ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিব বিচাৰো, I want to start with 100 rupees. Whenever from your heart says, yeah, I have learned something from DB Stock Broking YouTube channel, I want to invest 100 rupees, I want to start invest with learning, then please welcome to me. In this beautiful 1 hour, the last 5 minutes is there of my 1 hour live sessions. In this 5 minutes, there are some questions are there. Many viewers want to ask some question to my guest. I request them, if they want to know, they can call me at my number 9127075133. I will be added in the descriptions of my YouTube channels. As well as this live recording will be recorded and it will be uploaded in every social media channel, so everyone can watch later. And if any question, please mail to us, email to us, or personally call to my number. If you want to ask any education sectors, any information about further education, any information about MBA, any information about your CS, or any information about arts, painting, because my guest also knows a beautiful painting, I believe, and with his honest words, he is very perfect.
Well, I just want to say, I'm not a professional painter.
Of course.
So I'm not a professional painter, but I love paintings, and I think I love creativity. More creativity koi bhal pao. It's not like I don't do for like professional work or something. It's like I do for my like learning purpose. I'm more into creativity karne ko.
Thank you for beautiful message.
Thank you so much, Dipankar.
Apuni ইয়াত আহাৰ কাৰণে বহুত ধন্যবাদ. আপুনি মোৰ 1 ঘণ্টা আপোনাৰ ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট সময় মোৰ কাৰণে উলালে. আজি শনিবাৰে, অহা শনিবাৰে আকৌ আহিম একে সময়, একে 5টা বজাত লাইভ at 5 p.m. Please do ready. Please do watch for me. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. And if I say something wrong or something, if I hurt someone's emotions or are saying something violent, please sorry for us, for me, for my guest. And thank you everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.